Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. My name is Viko Legunata and together with my research partner Rico Nathaniel and two of my lecturer that helped me supervise to make this paper. We are from School of Computer Science, Binus University, and I'm gonna talk about my study title Performance Comparisons of Raw SQL and Eloquent ORM in Laravel version 12. Okay, let's start with the background. In today's era, modern web applications demand incredibly high performance, especially when handling large data volumes and high concurrency. In PHP ecosystem, Laravel is a massive favorite because its eloquent ORM greatly boosts developer productivity. Yeah, so the programmer can code more efficient, more faster. However, this abstraction comes with a hidden cost, computational overhead. Yeah, every time you pull data, Eloquent has to undergo model hydration. Model hydration is a process of converting raw database rows into complex PHP objects. So because of that, we wanna test how many the latency gap is in the latest Laravel 12 ecosystem. Okay, so before running our test, we conduct a systematic literature review of 30 distinct scientific papers from reputable sources like EAAA and Springer. We found a clear research gap while many papers discuss ORM overhead. There is a severe lack of empirical evidence regarding the newly released Laravel 12 and PHP 8.4, specifically when tested at a medium to large scale of 10,000 records. To, to fill this gap, our writing and research strategy used a practical, quantitative benchmarking approach. We wanted to directly compare database execution speeds without any outside interference, isolating the database interaction layer as our primary variable. Okay, to ensure validity of our research, we establish a very strict methodology. First, the environment we run in my laptop, of course, it is using AMD Ryzen 7 processor with 16 GB of RAM, running PHP 8.4 and MySQL. We did this locally to completely eliminate network latency from the equation. And then the dataset, we generated a database for a block, yeah, basic block application backend. The tables are users, articles, comments, and text. Each of the table has 10,000 records. Third, the scenarios. As you can see in our flowchart, after setting up the environment and generating dataset, we initiated a warm-up phase of 5 iterations. This prevent cold start anomalies. Then we move to the benchmark testing phase. We tested 5 distinct query complexities from a simple select to a relational join and aggregation. We executed each scenarios for 25 iterations to capture a stable, reliable performance average. Okay, then for the results, as you can see right here, if you look the query performance chart on the bottom right, yeah, the blue bars is the raw SQL and the green bars is Eloquent ORM. Yeah, the data shows that the raw SQL consistently outperforms Eloquent ORM across all test scenarios. For simple queries like simple select or where clause, Eloquent takes about 12 milliseconds compared to raw SQL 5 milliseconds. But the true bottleneck reverses itself in complex queries. Our critical finding occurred in the aggregation scenario. Look at that massive spike on the chart. RAW-SQL executed the aggregation in just 7.7 milliseconds, while Eloquent ORM took over 55 milliseconds. That is like 611% overhead. Why did this happen? Because when running aggregation without proper query builder optimization, Laravel forces object hydration of those thousands of results row, wasting massive amount of CPU and memory, instead of simply returning the aggregated values like the RAW-SQL do. Okay, so our conclusion is that while Eloquent ORM is very good for development efficiency, for code readability and maintainability, it should be used with a little bit caution when scaling up for performance critical application website or high traffic web application. Bypassing the ORM and using RAW-SQL is a very crucial strategy to make the execution time less. Yeah, we also on our poster right here we have the QR code where you can use, you can see our code where we test using the Laravel, and the QR code to see our paper. Okay, I think that is our presentation. Mine presentation. Thank you for watching.